Guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use SMS code for Facebook two-factor authentication. If you're using Facebook and you want to get an SMS for your Facebook two-factor authentication, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Facebook. It might be in your browser or in your app. Just simply open Facebook here. Now, once you are on Facebook, you just have to click on this profile icon in the top right. Click on settings and privacy and then click on settings. And now once you are on settings page, click on account center here and just locate password and security, click on it. And here just select two-factor authentication and select your Facebook account. Now the very first, you just have to enter the code. It will be sent on your Gmail or on your mail address. Just enter that code here, and once you have entered the code, you just have to continue with the step by choosing your phone number for two-factor authentication or your SMS. So once you have done, now you can easily use your phone number to get SMS for two-factor authentication on Facebook. So in this way, you can easily enable two-factor authentication for your Facebook using phone number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.